think I've been here with 3 different clubs, but also when I was playing in Turkey, we used to come here also for like 5 days or a week. So yeah, I've been here quite a lot. To be fair, it's calm. It's calm. It's not like thought that it was gonna be. It's going fast, and I'm enjoying the time here, so it's calm. I'm in the room with Shay, and to be fair, there is no rule. I mean, I sleep whenever I want, he sleeps whenever he wants, so yeah, but I think we basically wake up the same because we set an alarm for breakfast, so the alarm rings and then we are both up, so yeah. I mean, I've been having rice and tuna when we arrived the first 3 days, and then now it's just been like salad in the. So in the morning it's basically more like just like omelette eggs, and then in the afternoon I'm having salad, and then sometimes in the night it's like rice and tuna. I'm having rice and tuna, yeah, some salad. I mean, I like it. I don't know, but I like it. So I mean, almost every day I have it, and probably if you don't come early, you're not gonna find some there. Yeah, I mean, Ghana is home for me, and once I'm home, it's like everything is there. I'll never choose to go anywhere than going back home. So, I mean, it's my happy place. So yeah, I like it there. I've got 2 brothers. I don't have a sister, and yeah, my mom and my dad, and then my cousins. I'm the youngest in the family. My brothers are older, so yeah. And now I moved, so I'm living with my girl and my daughter, and then my cousin, 2 cousins. One is the chef, and then one takes care of the house, basically. My big brother was a goalkeeper, and then the second one was also a good player, and then I guess we just all had like a talent. Yeah, so from when I was young, we were all like basically playing football. I mean, for me, when I was younger, there was more like, there was not like social media a lot. So it's like after school football, that's all that we do. But I think a couple of times I've been home recent times, like when like school vacated, like vacations and stuff. When I was young, we were always like on the football pitch, like playing football, like whatever. But what I've noticed recently, it's not the same anymore. You go on the football pitch and you don't see anybody, you know. And I personally think it's because of social media. They don't really focus on like what's maybe important, because I believe like when you have talent, like you need to keep playing football like almost all the time, so somebody can see you to give you the chance, to give you the opportunity and everything. But now it's not the same. You know, I don't live my life on regret or anything. I take each moment because I'm a believer of Christ, so I believe in Jesus. So I believe wherever that I found myself to be, God has a plan for me to be there. So I believe wherever that I am, there is a purpose for me to be there. So I don't have regrets in life. I'm happy wherever that I am, because I believe that most people that I started with them, they've not been able to have the opportunity that I have to be where I am. So regardless of wherever I find myself, I always try to find happiness within myself. I love Maribor. I like the people there. I like the mindset of the people. I love the people around the club, like even you guys. I love you guys. You welcome me like I'm already part of the club since I don't know when. And when I arrived, for me personally, it was not easy for me because I haven't played for a long time. And then I came with injury also. And you know, for a football player, you are thinking in your head, oh, like, what is these people thinking about me? Da 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 da, you know. But then everybody showed me love since the day that I arrived, helped me through my recovery. And then when I started playing, still kept supporting me and everything. So it's really been good so far. The thing with me is I'm not someone who likes to discover. I'm always at home. I'm like, from training I'm going home, from training I'm going home, But the three sports in Maribor obviously is Euro Park, and then the Lidl, the supermarket. I go there to get like food stuff for home. So yeah, I don't. And then the center, obviously, I live in the center, so there is a restaurant, Big Panda. Me and Shay, we are there almost every day. So that's also the next step that I can say to someone. But yeah, it's a nice place. It's small. Like people are really, really, really nice, and I like it there like that. Hobbies out of football. I like music, so I just listen to music. I'm just like music. Basically, if we have off day and if I don't have anything to do, I'm basically just in my room listening to music and just chilling. I'm like African, so I listen to African music a lot, like Afrobeats. Yeah, so more of like Afrobeats. We only we only go forward, we never look back. So yeah, I'm positive, I'm feeling good. The games that we played so far, I felt good in the games, and yeah, I think the coach is helping with tactics, and then the physical trainer is also helping out with whatever they can help me to get 100%. So yeah, everyone is helping. Yeah, I think for me the bare minimum that we should accept, like all together as a club, is to get the trophy at least. Like regardless of whatever trophy, if we get a trophy for this season, I think it's gonna be a good feeling, because we deserve to have a trophy. I believe we have the squad. I believe the management also helps in whichever way that they can. So yeah, I think I'll be happy if we get a trophy. Yeah, and I'll personally push for that also. This was in Ghana. Where did you find this? This was. Yeah, this was in Ghana. This was in Ghana. Yeah, my ex club in Ghana, Mighty Jets. Yeah, this was in Ghana. Who told you this? Yeah, my favorite food is kenke. In Ghana, it's a dish. Yeah, that's me and my brother. Did my brother give you these pictures? Yeah, that's me and my brother. Yeah, that's kenke. Yeah, that's my favorite food. It's a Ghanaian dish that's made with maize from my tribe. Like I'm Gan in Ghana, so that's like the main dish that people know from my tribe, and yeah, I think it's the get to go for most like people in Ghana from my tribe. Yeah. When I was young, like 9, 10, 12, I was goalkeeper and then playing also. So I was doing basically both. Yeah, I remember this picture. I remember this one. Yeah, it was. It's more like when you go for games. Like obviously, it's not everywhere that like there is changing rooms and stuff. So wherever, like under the tree or just right behind the pitch, you just change and then that's it. I was 15 or 16 if I remember. Yeah, I think 15 or so. Yeah. Hurricane. MJ. Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan. Okay. He's the greatest of all time. I like basketball. He's the greatest of all time. Yeah.